juicy strips of steak stir-fried with vibrant vegetables, egg noodles, and an easy homemade teriyaki sauce. I love this kind of bowl food. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up this amazing beef teriyaki noodle dish that's from my new book, It's All About Dinner. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by making the marinade. In a bowl or jug, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake or dry sherry, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Mix all that together until it's combined into a delicious teriyaki marinade. For the beef, I've got 500 grams, or about 1.1 pounds of sirloin steak, which has been cut into strips against the grain. Now you can use Denver, skirt or flank steak if you prefer. Add 1/3 of the marinade to the steak and stir together. Cover and leave to marinade, and we're going to reserve the rest of the sauce for later. You need to marinate for at least 30 minutes, but you can marinate it for longer. I quite like to set it marinating whilst I'm making the kids' lunches for school in the morning. But if you are marinating for more than 30 minutes, just make sure you stick it in the fridge, and then it can all come together really quickly in the evening later on. About 20 minutes before you want to eat, you want to cook the noodles. Now I've got 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of dried medium egg noodles here, and we're going to cook them as per the pack instructions. So I'm placing these in boiling water and I'm going to cook them for about 5 minutes. Once cooked, drain them in a colander and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process. Toss together with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and leave in the colander until needed. Now heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a wok over a high heat. Add that steak we marinated earlier to the wok. You might need to do this in 2 batches depending on the size of your wok, as we want that beef to fry rather than boil. Cook the steak for about 2 to 3 minutes until nicely browned, and then place the cooked steak in a bowl. Add about half a tablespoon of oil to the wok. Now add a small sliced onion along with a thinly sliced carrot and red pepper. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until just starting to soften. Now add in the reserved marinade and bring to the boil. Add those cooked noodles in and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, tossing the noodles using a set of tongs until heated through. Add in the beef and 5 thinly sliced spring onions and cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes to heat the beef back through. Then divide between bowls and top with some chilli flakes and sesame seeds. And there's my simple yet delicious teriyaki beef noodles. You could swap out the beef for chicken if you fancy chicken teriyaki noodles. Just make sure that you cook the chicken for a little bit longer so that it's no longer pink in the middle. This dish is packed so full of flavour. I know everyone's going to love it.